How to listen to radio on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the music application on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the radio tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the radio page, where you can find a variety of stations. You can see several options like Music 1, Hits, and Country Music. Scroll through the available stations to find one that matches your taste. For example, tap on the club station to start listening. The station will begin to play live music. You can display the current song's title and artist information. You can also control playback using the on-screen buttons. To stop the stream, simply tap on the pause button in the middle of the screen. Following these steps, you can easily listen to the radio on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.